Hi, hello, Putanis. Dear children, welcome to ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. So I hope all of you are enjoying my videos and learning parallelly also. So what I was thinking yesterday is, so I was just planning to teach you with the yesterday's class with little reminder, okay, or we can call it as a recall. So what I will do is I will just try to recall whatever we discussed on 8th. So today is 9th. Okay. I hope you might have remember everything. And I can suggest you once again. Yesterday I would have told you regarding the notebook. Buy 200-page long notebook where you can enter all the questions whatever I have going to teach you here, and those questions you can just go through once, maybe 1 week before you attending the exam. So exam, as I told you, it will be on 29th, and before 29th you may start. After 20 you will be having a 8 days time. Within 8 days you can start reading and watching my YouTube channel. Definitely you will get through in the Navodaya. So as I told you again, I will start the arithmetic only. I'll try to solve all the questions paper as I told you. We'll begin with that, and prior to that, as I told you, we'll start with the yesterday's the class what we have done. Okay, so yesterday we were learning about the digits, that is a small digit and large digit or greatest. Small 2-digit and greatest is 99. So I'll just repeat once what we discussed yesterday, so it will be easy for you to understand how what we have done. So before that I'll just start writing one by one. Okay. I'll explain once again. Okay. So I have written in very simple way rather than like dragging. I just recall it. Smallest digit starts from 2 digits is 10, because our single digit will be 9. Okay. So 1 to 9 is single digit. So that's why we can call it as this 2 digit is the greatest. Right. So 1 to 9. I'll just make it clear. Okay. So this not this one. 1 to 9 is the single digit. If we start with the double digit number, the smallest double digit number is 10. And if you start from 10, which goes till the end is 99. Correct. So once you finish this, the third number will be start. That means 3-digit number will be start. The 3-digit number is here. That is 100, which is belongs to again the small 3-digit number. Okay, once you start this 3-digit number small, then you will be reaching till 999. So before 1000, that will be comes in the greatest, that is called a 3-digit. And when you are coming to crossing the 999, you will be becoming to 4-digit smallest number, that we will call it as a 4-digit. So 4-digit is starts from 1000 till 9999. So this is also 4-digit greatest number. Once it's complete, then the next number is 10,000. That comes under 5-digit smallest number. Don't get confused. That's why I have written once again. This starts with 0, ends with 9. Similarly, it's increased the single 1 by 1 number. Similarly, it's increasing the serial number also. It's a 2, 3, 4, 5. You can call it as increasing digit or serial number also. Not a problem. Okay, 2-digit is 10, 3-digit is 100, 4-digit is 1000, 5-digit is 10,000. Once you start counting 10,000 to the 5-digit ending number will be 99,999. Clear? So once you finish this, the number, the next number will be is 1 lakh, which is belongs to 3, and 3 is a 6-digit number. Clear? So this is 6-digit number what you are going to start with, and once you start, and your ending will be 9,99,999. Again, you will be fall into the category of small 7-digit number, which we will call it as a 10 lakhs. Bidi, hattu, nooru, savira, dasavira, laksha, dalaksha. That means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Clear? So once you start writing 10 lakhs, the number it will go the end of the like 3, 6, 7-digit number is it comes 99 lakh 99,999. So once you finish this, the next number is immediately with the 8-digit number, which is 1 CR. 1 CR is having a 3, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 7 zeros and only 1. That is the started number of the 1 crore, which is a 8-digit number. And the 8-digit number ends with 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. Okay, this we have learned yesterday. I have one more trick I will tell you. Fine. I got some idea. I will teach you something different. 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 CR. Okay, fine. See, if somebody will ask you what is 1 lakh or how many zeros will be there in 1 lakh. Okay, you just consider this is the 1 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. That means we have a 5 zeros. 5 zeros is equal to 1 lakh. That means any numbers will be there. The prior number, it may be 1 or 1 to 9, anything. Okay. The first any digit number completion with the 5 zeros called a 1 lakh. Okay. This is 5 zeros. That means 1 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0 is there. That will call it as a 1 lakh. Then how many zeros you want to make it as a 10 lakh means will jump to the next category or next digit, that is a 7 digits. 7 digits is nothing but we have only 6 zeros. Here we have 5 zeros. So 6 zeros is equal to 10 lakhs. If somebody will be asked you directly how many zeros you have in the 10 lakhs, then you can just think about it directly. You can tell them 6 zeros will be there in the lakh. So it doesn't matter what number it will be there here. 1 to 9, anything will be fine. You got it? So you try to make it, this is a thumb rule. If somebody will ask you 1 lakh, how many zeros will be there? 5. 10 lakhs is 6. Then 1 CR is equal to 7 zeros. 7 zeros is equal to 1 crore. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. Total 7 zeros. 7 zeros, 6 zeros, and this is 5 zeros. 5 zeros will be having in 1 lakh, 6 zeros will be in 10 lakhs, 7 zeros will be in 1 crore. If anybody will ask you, you may be once first standard, second standard, third standard, whatever it may be, somebody will ask you directly how many zeros will be there in lakhs, then you can tell them this is the thumb rule. Then what will be there in 10,000? It will be 4 only. What will be there in 1,000? It will be 3. What is there in 100? It's 2. What is in a 10? It's only 1. Okay, so this is very much useful, where you can utilize and understand, and you can calculate immediately and fastly, and you will be saving the time if such kind of questions will be asking in your examination. That's what I expected to add something here. That's why I explained whatever we discussed yesterday. The similarly parallelly I have explained you this also. Okay, you can note down here 5, 6 digits, 7 and 8 digits. So the below 7 and 8 digits we had a question one. Somebody they might have missed this video, the 8th video. You can just watch Navodaya video 1, which is uploaded yesterday. Okay, fine. So will move to the next question. I'll tell you again the next question. I'll teach in a very different manner. You can understand very easy. 99% there is no chances you never do the mistakes. That I can give you guarantee. But it's again the way how you are going to practice, that is matters, right? So you have to practice very clearly as I am going to explaining here, and you have to watch my YouTube Anubhava Saara in parallel and properly. Yeah. So I hope you have written this. Okay, I just clear it. If somebody is slow in writing, you just go back to the video and you just check it wherever you have missed and write it properly. Clear? So that is the one. Then again we will come back to the question paper 2010. And yesterday we had discussed about the question number 51. Now I will go with 50 number 2. Okay. The 50 number 2, what it says is question 52. Which of the following decimals? Which of the following decimal? I'll write it here. DECI decimals are written in decreasing order. Decimals are written in decreasing order. So this is the question. I'll just note it down here the options. In that I'll tell you how to choose in this kind of questions. Questions how they will ask and what are the magic you can do it. As I told you, maths is a mirror. Okay. So you no need to worry about it. In the question itself, answer will be there. I'll tell you how to find out the answer within the question. Okay. Just have a relax and go one by one. The option A says, what is that? 12,075 1 12,705 2, then 12,750 12,750. This is a option A. Comes to option B, 12,750 12,750 12,705 12,005, 12,070. The option C says 12,000, 12,075, 12,750, then 12,705. The last option is D. D is having 12,750. Okay. Then 12,075. 12,075. It's right. Again, 12,705. Now you leave the question. You understand the, sorry, you leave this option and understand the question. Which of the following decimals are written in decreasing order? I hope everybody they might have learned what is the decreasing order. It's decreasing is nothing but a start from 9 to 0. It's a decreasing. I'll make it down so that will be better. So you are counting reverse. So increasing order will be like this, 0 to 9. So it's increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is decreasing 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it? So now the question says this condition, decreasing order. So I'll just underline here. So that means what you have to do, you have to start from the higher number, got it? And you will be reach to the lowest number. That is called a decreasing method. So you will be having each question at least 1 minute. You should not be hurry and doing the mistakes, because see, they have given all numbers are the similar, same. 705 is there, here 750 is there, here 705 is there, again 705 is there, here 7075 is there. Got it? So what you have to do is you have to analyze properly and you have to start underlining one by one. Okay, I'll show you how to do it in the terms of the decreasing order when the condition says. If it is increasing order, we'll work out here in the same question with the different manner. Okay, that I'll teach you in the second, like after this completion. Clear? So now we are saying that 9 to 0. That means here 12,000 is there, 12,000 is there, 12,000 is there, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000. Clear? That means we have in all the options with 3, A, B, C, D, we have an option in that. Here we have 1, 2, 3. These also 3 options are there in that. Nothing is changed in the thousands, 10,000s form. That what we can call it as, it's a 12,000 in remain the same with all. Okay. Now we'll go with the next number, which is starts from the 100. We'll see which one is the highest here. Then if you come to the column second, here is 0, no. Here is 7, okay. Here is 0, no. Here is 7, okay. See, here again they are making you to get the confused. Got it? So here again they are making you to get the confusion. It's very clear. What you have to do is, once you finish this first, then you have to think about the hundreds. Clear? So here 7, 7 is there. Here also we have to think. Right? So 12 is over. Here 7 is there. See, in the option B, here 7 is there, but here the 7 is coming. Here also 7 is coming, not bad, because 7 and 7 it's common, it's increasing only. Here 0 is there, here 7 is there, again you have to make it as a tick. Yes, this is also highest number, but here the smallest number, that's why it's wrong. I'll repeat once. Here is the highest number matching with all, the remain same. Okay, if you go with the column third, 1, 2, 3, we'll call it as column 1, column 2, column 3. If you go with this, the option 1 is 0, that means again 7 comes, this is wrong. Because 7 is supposed to come here, after 0 is coming is 7, that means this is the wrong. Here 7 is there, 7 is there, this is okay. We don't know what option will be comes here. Clear? The option will comes here, we don't know. Then we will plan next. Here 0 is there, here 7 is there, that means this is also wrong. Here 7 is there, here 0 is there, this is also wrong. Come to the third. So here 12,000 is the same. 7 is there, here 7 is there, okay. Not okay, because here in 100 plus 0 is there, that means this is wrong. This is rolled out. Clear? You don't need to check further. 0, 7, 7. That means it's in the increasing order. But our condition says it's a decreasing order. That means I'll reject this option A outright. There is no more in the options. Coming to the option B, 7 is there, here 0 is there. Because it's increasing, it's a down. It may comes, we'll see. We don't know that. Because we have two more numbers, that's ones and tens. Ones and tens, once you finalize, then only we can say which number is the correct or which option is the correct. Now as of now, 7 is there, 100, 700 is there, here 0 is there, that means it's in the decreasing order we will be considering. Coming to the B option, it is wrong, then it's wrong directly. So straight away it's wrong because it's in the 0, 7, 7. It's an increasing order. That fall into this category which we are not considering for this question. Clear? So it may comes in that, but our condition is only decreasing order. That means option A is wrong, option C is wrong. Now we have to find out in B and D which one is the correct. Now the challenge is how to find out the right option. Clear? If you understand this clearly, then you may not be taking much time in the examination because it won't be take much more time. Clear? So that's what I am explaining you in a very slow. Even though the lemon guy is nothing but a who cannot understand maths and he always run away from the maths class. That guy also can be understand and he can also get attract. And he can say yes, but maths is really easy, sir. I can do it. If you want such kind of feedback from my Anubhava Sara, you can watch my all YouTube videos whichever I have made in the government schools. Those students were the same. They were like asking me 100 questions like maths is very tough and all, and those students only they came and they were answering on the board. That all examples you can see in my different videos. If you are free, you can go through all the videos. Let's come to the point. Okay. So this is we have rejected. This is we have rejected. Now we have option B and D. Now hundreds is over. Hundreds here is 7. Here 7 is there. 0 is there. Here 7 is there. That means 7 is okay. Decreasing order okay. Again increasing. That means this is wrong. Clear? I'll explain once again. Why it is wrong is 7 is fine, well and good. What we are expecting from the decreasing. So it is again 0. Again it's supposed to come here 0, but it's not a 0. It's in the 7. That means this option also reject. So the correct option is B. Got it? So the decreasing order says 12,750. Again 12,705, again 0, 7, 0. I'll write it here 12,750 750. This one again 12,705. Again 12,070. That means 750, 705, only 70. Right. So you can able to see this. Right. So 12,750. Okay. 12,705, which is less than 45. It's in the down. Again it's a 12,070 only. Not even 100. That means this is also down. Clear? So this is how we are going to finalize in the terms of decreasing order. Let me take you through with the same question with this condition. Increasing order. It may comes the next question, but we'll just analyze and understand here itself whatever we have already questioned. Okay. Rather than decreasing, we'll make it as the increasing. The now condition says increasing order. So let me just explain which one is correct. I don't know if question is matches or not. Let's at least we'll try to understand what we can do it. Right? I have removed all. Done. It's clear now. So I'll remove all in the decreasing order. Now we are talking about increasing order. Okay. So we'll follow the same process with the increasing order, and I'll take you through once again one by one the steps. So as we had discussed 12, 12, 12, 12. Absolutely fine, we don't have any problem. Again here 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000. Again here 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000. So if you get similar number also you will get confused. If you get other smaller number, then it's easy for you to understand. For example, if it is comes 700, again 800 it comes, then you can plan it. This is a higher one and this is a smaller one. But your option is not like that. There will be a confusion with the ones and tens and 100 in those three numbers. So that's why I am just making correct. Whatever I am doing, correct is not. Right. We will come to the hundreds place. So 0 is okay. Here 7, no, because it is not increasing order. 0 is okay. This is no. Clear. Let's will come here. So 7 is absolutely fine because it's increasing order. Here also 7 is there. It's increasing. 7 is increasing. 0. Okay. Sorry. So not 7. It's 0 should be there. Right. Because we are doing increasing order. Here, let me just explain once again. 12,000 is clear. 0 is there. 7 is wrong. 7 is wrong. 0 is clear. Here we have done clearly. But there was small confusion here. Okay. So what we'll do it is after 0, 7 should come. Correct. It's increasing order. Right. And after 7, here 7 is there. This is wrong. Because 7 is gone and 7 also gone. Again 0 is there. Here 7 is there. Increasing order. Fine. Here 7 is there. Here 0 is there. It's a decreasing order. This is wrong. Fine. So let's come to the third column. So here 0, 7, 7. Fine. Here 7, 7. It's already cancelled. We can make it the wrong B1. Okay. Again coming to the third row. Here 0 is there. 7 is there. 7 is there. Right. Because it's in the increasing order. Here 7 is there. 0 is there. 7 is there. We will cancel it directly. The option B and D both are wrong for increasing order what we are talking about. Right. So we'll go with the tens place. Then we can finalize within these two, A and C, which one is the correct. Okay. Let's plan A. A is 7, bigger one, fine. A is 0, no. That means this is wrong. Because 7 means it should be 8. No. Okay. So we'll go with C option. 5, 100, and here 0 is there. Then 750 increasing, this is again decreasing. That means this is also no. So 750 it was supposed to 800 should be there. So that means here none of the answer will be matching. So in that case your answer is none of the above. That means in some cases what they does is they will give this kind of questions and they will give one more option as called a E, none of the above. They will give one more option. In such condition, once you finish seeing all the options, you may get this kind of clarity or confirmation stating that these all four options is absolutely wrong. There is none of them options are matching. That means your fifth option is the right for this answer. That means none of the above is your answer, and this is for only increasing, that is ascending order. Increasing also you can call it as, or ascending order also we can call. Yeah. So that's how we have done in the clearly. I hope you might have understood each and everything in a proper way. Okay. If you are unable to understand this question, what you can do is you just watch once again the video and open your textbook. If you may have a similar kind of questions in the 4th standard, 5th or 6th or 7th, whatever, okay, in that particular curriculum or the subject maths book, it may be mental maths or another maths will be there, it depends on the which school you are studying. So that books you can just open it and see increasing and decreasing order formula. So based on that you can learn few things and you just try practicing for a 2-3 details or 2-3 examples in your textbook. Then definitely I am sure 100% thoroughly you will understand, and let them give any kind of these questions, you never leave in the examination. Without fail you will definitely attend to this question and you will get a marks. There is no doubt at all. Clear? Fine, children. I hope I might have cleared all your doubts, and I have given you the digits related to 2 digit to 8 digit question which we already discussed yesterday. And today also we have learned something which is about the increasing order and decreasing order. Here in the right side or sorry left side column, you can write it in the corner like this in a angle manner: increasing order and decreasing order question. Okay, so then you will be having an idea what kind of questions you are learning, and which question is belongs to what subject it is, and which exactly the process it says, and what is the particular the condition in the question. Okay, fine then. So keep watching my Anubhava Sara. So I'll come back to you with next questions again tomorrow. As I told you, I'll make every day one question, and I'll make you to happy, and I'll make you to learn, and I expect all of you to understand in very easy method, and you have to make it as your life as much as easy. So from today onwards, we are calling only m square till date. Maths is a magic. M and M is a math square, maths and magic. Now I will add one more M, that is called a M cube, maths, magic and mirror. Usually I have told many times maths is a mirror. See, here is the mirror. We have done the magic. In the same question we have done increasing and decreasing. So that's how this is the beauty of the mathematics. You cannot expect these kind of options or the answer or the question wherever the questions in the answer itself. You never expect in any other subject. You go with any subject, you can find out and you can check. But all most of the people, this is maths is very tough. I say no, because I can prove it. I have already proved it. So you also believe that maths is not a tough. It's a easy, but you should be having a minimum knowledge with some common sense and some tricks, and you should be having a very much concentrate. I might have told you many times, many people and many schools, maths is like a movie. Before you start, you should be inside the theater, and once the movie starts, you should not be watch here and there. Your entire concentration and you should be have watch only the screen and should understand, and each and everything has to be like the recall, or you can understand and you can just plan, or you can just think about what will be happen next and what the next condition you can analyze from here, like a script writer or director. Then only you can understand what is the movie and what is the theme of it and what exactly you have watched and how much you have enjoyed. Okay, in between, if you seen here and there or somebody might have disturbed you, then definitely you may not be understand the movie, entire movie, just losing one or two scene. The same manner it will be applicable here in the maths and other subjects also, not only maths, other subject also. When you are watching your teacher or the classboard in the classroom, don't watch here and there, and don't talk to your friends. So that is totally, you are going to lose your concentration and you won't be learn at all. That's what I today tips what I have given all of you children. I hope everybody have learned. I'll catch you in the next class. Bye.